So I'm going to use the chainsaw here, make it faster. I want to give you an update here. My chainsaw is only 14 inches, so it's not long enough to reach the side of this transom here. So I ran 20 inches chainsaw here from Home Depot. I already cut it so all the way inside. Now it's just time to clean it up. So need a few tools that I have to make it. One of them is the bar here. This is the bar. This is the metal bar. I got it also from Home Depot, and cut it so I can dig it manually here and scrap the wall here, the transom wall, because they some of the wood they stick on the wall. So I need to clean it up, and so this is good to dig it. So that's the update. It's not ready to pour the Seacast yet. As I cut here the side, I cut this the outside side in here, so I have to make another wall, because in order to cut the transom wood, the wood that stick in here on the side, I have to cut it. So I cut here, then I have to make the wall again, so the Seacast will not go out both sides. So I cut it aside here, so I need to make another wall here, there. Okay, here's the update. So I already take all the wood out from inside here, and I put fiberglass in here. So when I fill with the new transom here, the liquid transom, until that will stop in here, then I can refill it again on the side. But this is already almost ready, so I will put all the through hole here. So when I put it the through hole, the good thing is they will bond it. So when it's dry, it will bond, so that will seal from the water. So that's a good thing. But for the engine bolt in here, I will put it later, because if I make the angle is not right, it's hard to put the engine. So this one is engine later. The top one I will put it. That's okay. But another tube on the bottom here, I will put it later, drill it later after I fill with the transom with the Seacast. Actually, I don't buy Seacast. I buy the different one. Is it called core? I forgot the name right now. It's core something, but it look like it's more liquid. There's not too many thing to add, and I saw the review also good, so and cheaper too. So I'm going to use that one. I will give the update, the price and everything for all the part that I use. So I will put all back. This one is, and seal it and then pour it, and hopefully that will be ready for next week. Probably will do it this Saturday. So I already put the through holes and everything here. So now it's ready to put the not the Seacast but the carbon core. I will cover this with the plastic, so it's just nothing will drip to here on the outside, and also we'll put the plastic back the inside too. So I cover the side here, both sides with the plastic, so hopefully it won't drip much and it won't touch the in here the side, the outside one. And also I make a tool here to pour the carbon core. So I will put it in here to make a bigger hole here to put the carbon core. And this is what I use. I mentioned before, I changed it from the Seacast when I make it the first time. When I want to replace it, I'm thinking to use Seacast, but then along the way I'm thinking something else. I see the review and everything, then I go with the carbon core. So I have about 3 bucket of 5 gallon, so 15 gallon total. So if you want to know how much you need, you can use their website. They have the calculator, so you can use it and know how much you will need it and how much you have to buy. So because inside mine is not even, between the thickness is not even, the top, the bottom, and also on the side, so it's kind of hard to know how much, but I just bought 3, so and should be enough. The sticky already now is not a liquid anymore. Look like they dry really fast. So you can feel the temperature getting hotter inside here. So I'm going to put the clamp. So this clamp makes sure when the temperature getting hot, it will expand a little bit. So I don't want this one that has a gap to expand it. Let it dry. This dry or almost dry. They said it's 2 hours. I can start to drill it if I need to, and then after 4 hours it's completely dry. So it fully cured in 4 hours. Now it's so I feel the temperature hot until all the way to the bottom here. So this means this carbon core, they go all the way down here. So that is good. So I use a fan here, cooling it down. This is on the top. Yeah, I'm surprised this is so fast. It dries so fast. If you late, then it will dry on the can or before you pour all of them here. So within 15 minutes, I guess, after you mix it, and you have to put it in your transom. All right, just now wait for 1.5 hours, another 1.5 hours. Then I will drill a hole for the bolt here to bolt. Man, this is hot. Phew. This one hot too. Hopefully this work well. So to put the carbon core inside here, I'm going to use this one. Oops. Hacia abajo. Así que So I put this back, the old one, this trim, but I still need to laminate it. I have to put another layer for fiberglass around this area, and then yeah, I have to paint it, I guess, otherwise it will look ugly here. So now I'm going to put the drain plug. So the drain plug is already here. I put it seal here already, but I will need tool here. This is the tool that I'm going to use. See that, the stainless steel drain tube flaring tool. So 1 inch. This is the size for 1 inch. So you can get it from Amazon or from anywhere. This is the one that I have the flying, the flare on the other side. I already put it. So I'm going to make it from for the outside with this tool. So I'm going to put the marker here. It's about 1/8 inch. So 1/8 inch. Cut it around. So I will get the measurement. So I measure here. So as mentioned before, about 1/8. Oh. Where is my measurement here? Okay. So run this. I need to put this marker on the tape. So where I cut it. I want to cut this. Okay. This is the tool. So I open it. For here, the one of them I will put it from the inside, and then here from the outside, just put it here, that, and the bolt, and tied it. So when we tied it, it will push this to the side. So let's see how this goes. Side. Side. Yes. Okay, today progress. So I already put my fish finder sonar here, both of them. This already done, the drain plug. So this is the transom. I need to put the engine and then hook up everything, then should be ready. Forgot to mention I painted, but I'm not really good on painting, so painting job is not my job. Look at this. So it's not really dry yet, then I add another layer and create like this. It's not good, but look cleaner than before. Alright, it's done with the boat, with the transom. The engine already mounted on the boat again. So finally it's done and ready for fishing again. And thank you for watching, and please help me subscribe. Thanks guys. Okay, bye now.